not about Barack, it's not about me, John McCain, Sarah Palin. It's about you. It literally is all about you. You saw the debates. You've heard the policy positions of the candidates. And now it's time to choose. And with early vote here in Ohio, I mean now. Today is the time to choose. Not wait. Now is the time to choose. Imagine with me a country, imagine America that once again is respected in the world for the power of our example as well as the example of our power. When he started going after Bush's policies on the economy, we Catholics call that an epiphany. Universal access to broadband, creating 76,000 new jobs here in Ohio in the process. And folks, it's time. It's time to get up together to bring the change we need to the country we love so dearly. Ladies and gentlemen, we're all over this country in this campaign. I promise you, I guarantee you, America is ready. I know you're ready. I am ready. Barack Obama is ready. It's our time. It's America's time. So get up, Ohio. Get up and get out and vote. We love so much. Thank you all for that. Thank you. Go get it, folks. We gotta win this one. Thank you, man. Out there every day. I know it. Got it on. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, honey, how are you? How old are you? 12. You're getting old. You're getting old. How old are you? No mental repair. No mental repair. I speak to every father in America. Thank you. Thank you. How are you? Okay. Hey, man. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Thank you. Hi, man. How are you? Good to see you.
Thank you for coming.
Well, thank you for having me. You're very nice. Thanks so much. Thank you. Thank you. How are you, folks? Good to see you. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.
Well, thank you for having me.
It was a lot of fun being here today. Got to see a lot of old friends and old faces that are looking younger.